Hey guys, what is up? Coming back again with another trade review for February 20th, 2024. And today as always, I am short biased every day because I'm 99% of my trades are short trades. Coming into the market, just doing a quick analysis on the morning trading day. And we opened below Friday's close. I have it marked here. And I started using Fibonacci levels as well. I know this looks crazy right now. I can pull these off. I'll leave them on for now. And so I was short biased on the day. Here's the 4 a.m. open, and we did open under the 0.38% of the fib level. And I've been drawing these in, and they have really been respecting these levels. It's just something I'm kind of refining over the weekend when I'm doing trade reviews. And I found more often than not, I'm getting out of my trades, specifically the 15 and 5-minute reversals, far too early. Typically, I like to target the 9 on the 5 or the 9 on the 15, which for the most part coincide with either what they call the golden zone, 38, 50, or 61. And what it's doing is just building my confidence more. It's allowing me to hold on to the trades a little bit longer, just kind of squeeze more out of it. But I was short bias on the day, so looking at that, I had these tickers on my watch list. Really, none of them materialize into anything. I'm basically just waiting for these levels to be hit, and they're all marked around 80 to 100% of ATR. But what did come in was KR, and what I liked about this was we had 3 candles up. We were 80% ATR, and it also lined up with a weekly level right here. So we had this level. So I'm happy with the way I played this. I did bail on it early. Looking at it now in hindsight, could I have held on to it? Yeah, I mean, how I trade these are, I want it to go in my direction immediately. I don't like it when it comes back up and tests or fake breaks. I kind of want it to flush and hit my target. I would consider holding on if I'm taking 50% off on the 9 moving average. I kind of bank some unrealized, which would allow me to hold on to this, but I didn't want to. And again, looking at it now, my stop was at that 48.85 level, and it would have just taken my stop out. So moving on, I was just kind of, I've mentioned this before, I have 6 monitors. So on my top left monitor, I have 5 and 15-minute charts set up. And early in the day, like, so let's say between 9:35, 10:05, I will have a bunch of 5-minute charts set up, just looking for 5-minute parabolic reversals to materialize. And then after that, moving forward between 10:05 or 10:15 and 12:30, I will set those all to 15-minute. And on my scanner, the other thing that came up was HDB. And I traded this as a 15-minute reversal. Now, I was late on this. I wasn't too sure. It was kind of weird. The market was selling off, and I had so many of my tickers green popping and the 15s failing. And this was one of the few that actually worked out. So I did wait for the price action to come below VWAP. And you can see it right here. So it came under VWAP here. And, I kind of, like I said, I was late on it, but I knew that target would be, it was 9 on the 15. And utilizing Fibonacci levels, I wanted to try and take it to at least 55.50, which was the 38.2. So what I've been doing is getting in, either adding at the 61 as it holds and rejects. You can see it right here. My first entry was just under VWAP, and then second, when I added into it, I added at the 61% level, and then partial at the 50, and then again at the 38.2. I didn't want to hold it any lower. You can kind of see it hasn't done anything. Now it broke below the 38.2, and it just kind of ranged around. So I'm happy with this trade. This worked out well. But typically what I like to see now, and again, just journaling over the weekend, I do use TradeZella. I know somebody had asked me that question, and I'm just overlaying my fib levels, looking at how can I improve my trades, how can I hold longer, how can I make my stops tighter, how can I make my entries tighter, how can I avoid any bad mistakes. And so this is a result of just reviewing my trades, reflecting on what I've taken over the past week or two, and this seems to be working for me now. So I will start utilizing these fib levels, and I have a hotkey set up on DAS. If anyone's interested, please let me know. I can actually I can put all of my hotkeys in the description below if anybody's interested in using those. Yeah, and that's it for today. So it's just the two trades, the KR, which was just a very small loss, and HBD, which made my day green. And yeah, so anybody has any questions, I'm still have 2 spots left for one-on-one mentoring. I do have the Discord, zprotrader.com. All the information's there. Anyone has any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to answer. Hope that everybody had a great trading day, and I will see you soon.